Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone voicemail not working on your iPhone? If you are facing such type of issue and your iPhone voicemail not working, then the first workaround is clear your voicemail directly. Go to phone app of your system and click on voicemail feature from the bottom right corner, and your all your voicemails available here. Here click on delete messages and choose clear all. Clear all voicemail set previously. Thereafter go to greetings from the top right corner, go to voicemail and tap on greeting and set default greetings and choose save, and check whether your iPhone voicemail working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next fixes is tap on settings of your iPhone and here tap on cellular data, turn off cellular data and wait for some times, and re on cellular data option. Turn off cellular or mobile data and again turn on cellular and mobile data. Sometimes it happens that any unenlisted network connection is not properly established and this error is appeared. Go to the next fixes, tap on settings again and go to phone app, phone settings, and here scroll down and look for live voicemail and make sure that live voicemail feature is turned on, and check whether your iPhone voicemail working properly or not. It will